Good morning and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve question number 32 that says during a lifetime the average American drinks 15,579 glasses of milk, 6,220 glasses of juice and 18,995 glasses of soda. Write and solve an equation to find G, the total number of glasses of milk, juice and soda that the average American drinks in a lifetime. Okay, so to write the equation, we will write G is equals to 15,579 plus 6,220 plus 18,995. So we will take the sum of all three. So we'll be having G is equals to 40,794. So the average American drinks around 40,794 glasses total of milk, juice and soda. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.